This video is all about utilizing Canva. If you don't have graphic design support and you're trying to build up a brand as a practitioner, as somebody that's leading an organization, a nonprofit, an end of court, how can we create a consistent brand using a free tool in the form of Canva? So this is not a Premier account. This is the free account that you can get today and have access to, and you'll get all the tools that I'll be showing you today. And the reason why we use Canva is that it allows you to use the same colors, the same fonts, the same styles across a multitude of options. As you can see on the screen today, you can create a document, you can create a presentation, you can create videos, Instagram posts, you can create business cards. And the reason why I love that so much is that I can use my same fonts, I can use my same colors, I can use my logo to tell Canva how to create something that is aligned with our organization's brand. It creates consistency, it makes you look professional, and it just makes your life a whole lot easier. So let's go ahead and start by creating a design. And the first thing I want to show you is a presentation. And the reason why I want to show you a presentation is next time you are creating a CLE, next time you are creating a pitch deck, whatever it might be. This program offers you some fantastic templates that you can use, and I will actually start with, let's go with this one. So I'm going to apply all 15 pages. And one thing that I really love about Canva is that you can apply that template, and I know the colors aren't perfect for the TYLA brand, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to upload a file. I already did that. It's the TYLA image, and if I put that in here, I'm just going to plant it for now. Don't worry about it. I'm going to go back to design. I'm going to go back to styles and take a look at the color palettes. When you put an image into Canva, what it creates is an image palette. So what that says is that it's a set of colors that are associated with your brand. So let's say your brand, your law firm's brand is yellow and black. And you can, once you paste that image, it'll pull up a yellow and black image palette. So a set of colors that go with your design. So I already have the TYLA image in here, so we have that blue and white combo. So now I have this color palette. It's like a blue, white, and different shades. So if I click this, that entire page is going to all of a sudden become consistent with my brand. And as you can see at the bottom, the rest of the pages are still with that original brownish, orangish hue. We don't want that, so we're going to use that same color palette across all the pages. So now as that is all adjusting, you can see all the screens changed, and I can delete my TYLA image now, and I can go through the deck, and you'll see that now I have TYLA colors on every single one of these pages. So I didn't have to go in and individually select each and every single one of these images or little funny looking shapes on the side and change the color. I changed the style of the entire document. Now I can select styles when it comes to our font as well, and you can create branding around that. Let's say for me as an organization, I want to create a font that looks like this. A little mix of classic and a little mix of strong, bold lettering as well. I can do the same thing. I applied it to this page. I'm going to go ahead and apply it to all pages. So now every single one of the text and formatting of every single one of these slides has been changed as well. And the beauty of this is that this isn't just for PowerPoints. I can use those exact same styles when I create a new document. I'm going to go ahead and create a new design. I'm going to create an Instagram post actually, because I want to utilize social media. Maybe that will help me connect with clients or the communities that I serve. So once again, I'm going to take a look at these templates, and I'm going to see that there are some that might be aligned with our work at TYLA. So I like this yellow and black one because it will really show the change in the design of the page when I switch it to that blue and white combo. So once again, I go to uploads where I uploaded that TYLA logo. I'm going to plant it. I'm going to go back to design. I'm going to go to style, and I'm going to pick recently used. We already picked it in the last design. Now I have that same design in existence, and now I have a blue and white design that is consistent with what I created before. It's consistent with what I want with the TYLA brand. And you know what? The font I want it to match up with the other things I created, including that PowerPoint design. So I'm going to go ahead and click that same combination of fonts. Now, when everybody looks at my social media, when they look at my website, when they look at my pitch decks, my business cards, everything is consistent. Everything follows a color palette, it follows a font palette, and I look like it looks like we are highly informed in terms of how we're creating our branding, and I did this all for free. And it also saved me a lot of headache. I'm not creating templates. I can delete this image and I can put in another image, right? I deleted that. I'm actually going to go to uploads and I'm going to throw this TYLA image in there. All right, it's not ideal for that shape, but you can see how it works. Now it is my design. Now it is consistent with my brand and my vision. And I look a lot more professional than I might be. I look like a little bit of a graphic designer is helping us out, but in reality, it's just the tools available through Canva. So I hope you will utilize this tool. There's some fantastic ways to upload your logo. The premium features are fantastic as well, but you really only need the free tool if you're trying to get going on a personal brand. I especially recommend this for folks who are running a nonprofit, who don't have the funding for a graphic designer, or solo practitioners who are just trying to get off the ground floor. And you can create your website, you can create your pitch deck, you can create your business card within a matter of a couple of hours, and you can have a strong personal brand. So we hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was educational, and hopefully it'll help you the same way it has helped me. Good luck.